It's 6 o'clock.
Wake up, beta. It's 6 o'clock. It's time to get ready for school.
Just 5 more minutes, Mom.
But Ria, you will be late for school.
Okay, Mom, I am coming. Bye, Mom. Bye. Sir, may I step in?
Just come in. Dear, you are late.
Sorry, teacher, I wake up late.
Punctuality is very important, dear. It shows respect for time and others.
I know, teacher, I will try to be on time from now on.
Okay, thank you. Today we are going to learn about the importance of time.
Oh no, not again.
Imagine if everyone was late, the class would never start. Am I right?
Sir. I guess you're right, sir. I will never repeat this mistake.
Okay, good, Ria.
Bell rings. Next morning, it's 6 o'clock. I am ready, Mom.
Wow, Ria, you are ready so early today.
I learned my lesson, Mom. Being punctual is important.
I'm so proud of you.
Bye, Mom. Bye.
Moral of the story: